That's why I wrote you a letter, cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise and we are currently in my kitchen because I just wanted to show you all my spring decor. Is very minimalistic. If you've been here for a while, you know that I do like to change things up and I do love decor, but I don't go overboard. My channel isn't about a whole lot of home decor and buying an excessive amount of pieces, in my opinion, but I did spruce the kitchen up as far as spring. So if you're interested in seeing if I did a little switcheroo or if I bought something new for the kitchen, please just keep on watching. So the first thing that I want to turn your attention to is our dining room table, and I'm gonna insert a clip of what it looked like before, because before it was very bland, kind of washed out. I had a lot of neutral tone colors and I just want to change that up a bit. And as you can see, I just changed out all of the placemats and I have round ones instead of the rectangular shape. And I also added the little tray that was once on my island, but you'll see a little bit later what I did to the island. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I still have the same flower, the cake stand, and the same sign here. That is all remain the same, but it does look different and it looks springy to me. If you agree, give it a big thumbs up. So now we're gonna move on to what I did to the kitchen island. Okay, so I'm standing in front of the kitchen island and I'm trying to hide it because I don't want you guys to see it too soon before the big reveal. But before, it was very brown, and the piece that I bought for, I knew that I wanted to use it on the island, but it was gonna be too much brown. So I needed to break up those colors. I needed to give the island some contrast. So I went to our local Lowe's and I found some contact paper that would offer some contrast to the island, and it's a little bit lighter than our L-shaped countertops. So that is what I did. I added some contact paper to the island and now look at it. Okay, so with this contact paper, it looks a whole lot lighter. You can definitely see this turntable, this Lazy Susan that I bought. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my God. I just love it. And this hello sign, I'm gonna bring it a little closer. It's so cute. I got it from Target for the sweet price of $3. Can you guys see that? Wait, can you see that? Anyway, I got this for $3. It's so cute. And I already had this candle, but it was on sale for $8 at Michael's a few weeks back. This little cake stand is also from Target. I've had that for a while. But this flower here, this faux flower, I haven't taken the tag off because I wanted to make sure I quoted the correct price. It was $9.99 from Ross. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There it goes. But it's really pretty, it's really full. I love the vase of it. It's not heavy at all, but it's really cute. So I thought it would fit on the Lazy Susan. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm like in the sink stove area, and as far as the changes that I made over here, I didn't do anything major, but I did switch out my fruit storage container, as you may call it. I had a little banana bin or a banana hanger bin. Anyway, I'll insert a clip of what I had prior to the changes that I made. I had some beautiful bowls that I received back in 2016 for a Christmas gift, and I just chose to use one of those. So now I'm going to be putting my fruit in this beautiful bowl. So this is what I did. I just took the fruit and I put it in this bowl, and I know it isn't all that large, but the colors go with the color scheme that I currently have now that it's spring, and yeah, I think it looks good over there. So that's the only change that I made as far as that little corner, and it still makes the kitchen look clean and very minimalistic, and that's what I'm going for. So last thing, as far as my stove, you all know, or maybe you don't know if you're new here, that I love some dish towels. I love to change out my dish towels, or my little stove towels as you would call them, during all of the seasonal changes or little holidays. So prior to the changes, I had some brown checkered little towels. They were sufficient, but I wanted to go for something that was going to be in the same color family as what I was going for. So I was lucky enough to find some from the Target, and they were $2.49 a piece, I believe, but they look really good in the space. So I know it's not much of a change, but they are really pretty. This one, I don't know if they're like sister towels or whatnot, but this one is just a solid color with the stripes. There's no extra on the bottom here as far as the other one goes, but I'll keep it so you can see the difference. And the other one, it does feel a little bit thicker as far as the texture, and it has this little gray embroidered bottom piece here, but they just go together so well. So I had to buy them, and I think they look great here on the stove. Now I can't promise you that they will look like this forever, because Sugarfoot loves to cook, and he will have left his mark on these, but for now they look great. So that's all of the changes that I made to the kitchen. I don't have any Easter decor yet, but I do have some activity pieces that I bought for Lucas, and as we do them, I will incorporate them into the kitchen. But for right now, the main pieces that will remain are the ones that I have shown you. And yeah, as we get into the season heavily, I will incorporate maybe some more Easter bunnies or whatnot. But I also wanted to mention, as far as my car in the spring, I do like to change out my car scent. So I did find a Febreze car scent. It is a limited edition, and I'll insert a clip of what I bought. I do already have it in my car, and it smells great. So if you see that at any local store, go ahead and pick you up one, because it smells delicious. And also, you all know that baby girl here will be here in the spring, and so I bought some poopery. Yes, I said poopery, because I feel like we'll have a lot of company, and I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable if the spirit moves them and they have to use the potty. So I bought the poopery, and I put it in the bathroom so that they can have a pleasurable stay, and I will not be offended by anyone's scents. So yeah, that is a wrap for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also consider subscribing if you are new here, and I really appreciate you for clicking on this video today. And until my next one, bye.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.